Hello guys, uh, this is our grocery for today. Yeah, we have fruits. This one is papaya. This one is grapes. And we have some of banana. And we have some of pomegranate. Yeah, I do wash. And I have chicken in the fridge. Ano presa? I have 6. And I have breast chicken and vegetables. We have more vegetables, guys. And this is it. Thank you for watching, guys. Consume of 1 week. Thank you for watching. That's it. This is NPS Vlogs. Bye, guys.